So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for the app. So when you find the app, what you have to do is to use your finger to tap on it for some while. Now tap on application details. When it opens, tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then it toggled the background data on. After that, go back and make sure the notifications are all toggled on. So all the notifications are on. Now tap on permission and tap on allow to allow this permission. So after allowing all permissions, tap on storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. After that, go back, then you tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So when you restart your device, every problem is going to be fixed. So as you can see, we have restart or reboot over here. So when you push it to this side and leave it, it's going to restart and reboot on your device successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.